Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We're dedicated to constantly bring you evolving tech gadgets that are being manufactured by the creative minds out there to make life a little easier for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you 9 more of these incredible gadgets. You might need one of these yourself or as a gift to someone special to you. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel, you don't want to miss any of our updates. Number 1. LapLok. Most of the laptop thefts happen in public locations, such as airports, cafes, restaurants, and common shared spaces. So, if you're digging that digital nomad life, or just working from anywhere, securing your laptop is more important than ever. It's the ultimate pocket-sized anti-theft device designed to conveniently secure your laptop anytime, any place. LapLok makes it easy for you to move around while working remotely because you know your device and data aren't going anywhere, no matter how hard a thief might try. The LapLok device. This is where the magic happens. It's where you enter your PIN and where the alarm sounds from. This product calls valor for money. Number 2. Ucoolity. It is a wearable air conditioner cooling vest, cools the entire body in just 3s from the back, up to 33 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than the surrounding temperature. Featuring semiconductor tech, this device is engineered to keep you cool without water, ice packs, or any other bulky items. Just put it on, buckle it up, and you'll stay cool and dry all day. The back of Ucoolity includes a super cooler that can rapidly cool your entire body. It's an effective way to stay cool on hot days, particularly when you're working in heat-sensitive environments. We used a unique composite material radiator and a smooth cooling air duct structure designed to bring you long-lasting coolness. The ultra-light design will not weigh you down when you're on your feet all day. Compared to putting ice cubes directly onto your skin, the Ucoolity vest will not cause any discomfort while cooling you down. Part of the vest can also be quickly disassembled and washed. Just throw the vest into the washing machine with your other dirty clothes and wash. Ucoolity's built-in ultra-thin battery can cool non-stop for up to 3 hours, which is plenty of time to help you survive the hottest time of the day. In addition, it can also be connected to an external power bank to extend its cooling time. It is an amazing product for you. Number 3. Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer. This steamer combines the performance of an iron with the power of steam to instantly smooth out wrinkles in clothing and upholstery while killing 99.9% of germs, dust mites and bed bugs. Includes a silicone band to pull fabric taut for better results, a delicate fabric spacer to protect trims and fine fabrics, and a bristle brush to ensure steam penetrates fibers for a perfect press. Even on heavy fabrics, our fabric steamers keep your garments, upholstery, curtains and other home textiles smooth and fresh. Check out entire line including handheld, upright and travel steamers. This product save your money. Number 4. World's first LED teeth whitening kit with UV sterilization. Each KAVVO shell comes equipped with 16 PCS of blue light, coupled with 8 PCS of red light. The device uses a 450 to 475 wavelength of blue light to indeed safely decompose even the most stubborn of teeth stains. With the 615 to 630 wavelength of red light, it can reduce gum sensitivity. Cavo Shell is the world's first LED teeth whitening tool that features automatic disinfection functionality. Simply pop in the lid, and let the inner UV light get to work, automatically disinfecting your teeth whitening device in 3 minutes flat. You'll know when it's done, because the UV light will turn off by itself. Whitening your teeth at home is only half the battle. At Cavo Shell, we're all about maintenance. That's why we've included 3 gel pens so you can sustain the pearly smile you've worked hard to create. A thin layer of gel is all you need. Common Technology is a fast-growing emerging smart technology company headquartered in Singapore with an R&D and supply chain center in Shenzhen, China in 2021. Number 5. Raj Smart Lens. The Raj Smart Lens tracks your eye and head movements and adjusts the in-game camera to compensate, giving you an immersive edge in racing and flying simulation games. Certified for low blue light, the Raj Smart Lens automatically adjusts to ambient light conditions to filter out harmful rays. Less eye strain means better performance in-game, so you never miss a kill late at night. Raj Command Center gives you the ultimate control over your setup. See critical system information like skin temperature, GPU frequency, battery level, and FPS. The Raj Smart Lens also comes with a sleek fast charging case. You can charge and clean your lenses in 1 hour without harming the components. Certified for low blue light, the Raj Smart Lens automatically adjusts to ambient light conditions to filter out harmful rays. Less eye strain means better performance in-game, so you never miss a kill late at night. Number 6. SmartHalo. It is a device that stays on your bike at all times, always there when you need it. It seamlessly connects to your phone and enhances your bike navigation using intuitive turn-by-turn signals or with compass-style navigation. Ride safely with an automatic light that you can't forget to turn off. Rest easy knowing your bike is secured by a 110 decibels motion-triggered alarm. Set goals and then it automatically monitor time, distance, average speed and calories. This product is good for you. Number 7. Stayhold SHS002EUO Compact Safety Shovel Mini. The Stayhold Compact Safety Shovel is designed to tick many boxes for snow shovel users. Designed to be car-friendly and offer features for clearing your car of snow and ice, the shovel is also compact enough to fit in and around the vehicle underbody and wheels. Made from super tough ABS PC, the shovel can withstand heavy use, even capable of being driven over. Its compact and lightweight form make it ideal as a survival shovel that can be used in skiing, backcountry, snowmobile or avalanche situations. This is just an amazing product for you because it is very useful for many works. Number 8. Surplex Future VR Full Body Tracking Shoes. Surplex is a VR full body tracker, hidden inside a pair of sleek and comfortable shoes. With 480 pressure sensors, Surplex can track your body movements with great accuracy even while making tiny motions. Better still, you don't need to be confined to limited space, or tangled up with cords and straps as with other VR trackers. Surplex is your secret weapon for an immersive VR experience. Each sole of Surplex is layered with 240 pressure sensors that detect a broader range of data about how you are standing and your body movements. They are only 1 mm in thickness but contribute the most to accurate motion capture. They read the pressure on your foot to create a skeletal model of the user's character. Each time you move your torso or whole body, you shift the center of gravity, and in turn the pressure on your feet changes. That's why even though these sensors won't directly detect anything else, Surplex knows how your entire body moves. Setting up Surplex is as simple as wearing a pair of shoes. Switch them on, connect them to your PC, and jump straight into the VR space. The gap between the VR world and the real world has never been smaller. Number 9. PeakDo. It enables you to instantly turn your mobile phone or tablet into a business hub with 4K display transmission. The 4K Ultra HD streaming hub enables you to enjoy a large screen streaming experience. PeakDo offers HDMI display output with 4K high definition for a seamless and vivid video experience. No complicated setups, it's plug and play, then directly streams 4K HD video to HD TV, PC, or projectors for a cinema-like visual feast. Utilizing industry-leading 6.0 GHz wave technology, PeakDo offers 50 times transmission speed over Wi-Fi, assuring you a perfectly synchronized, zero-lag entertainment or gaming experience every time. PeakDo supports 100 feet wireless transmission in any room without the need for HDMI cables. You can share documents wirelessly in a big meeting room or enjoy an immersive streaming experience continuously. It's perfect for both work and entertainment. PeakDo slips into your bag or pocket effortlessly so you can take it anywhere. It enables important business conferences, office meetings, home theater, or gaming entertainment easily while on the go.